7 plus 5 to the power of 2 times 5. First of all, we are going to solve our exponents, which is 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5. 5 times 5 will give us 25. Then we have 7 plus 25 times 5. 7 plus 25 will give us 32. Then we have 32 times 5. 32 times 5 is equals to 160. 160 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our exponent because it comes first. Our exponent is 5 to the power of 2, which is 5 times 5. It will give us 25. Then we'll put down our 25 here. Look down our 7 plus 25 times 5. Now, we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to solve our multiplication first because it comes before addition. 25 times 5 is equals to 125, which is the 125. Then we'll put down our 7 here. Then add it. 7 plus 125 will give us 132, 132. And this is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.